shadow on the moon tonight. I swear I see your face up there with the satellite, looking down from outer space. Me, I'm drifting home again, headlights in my eyes, fighting sleep with windows down, worn out from long goodbyes. Night driver, drifting home again. Night driver, drifting home again. You offered up no history when you blew into town. You remain a mystery, no information found. I speed dial the judgment call, the near miss hits the ground. The new king hides behind the throne, refusing to be crowned. Night driver, drifting home again. Night driver, drifting home again. High tide rumbles PCH, my tire's losing track. Helicopter circling, wiping overhead. Now I sit and count the days and try to fill my time. There's a shadow on the moon tonight, a dollar gets a dime. Night driver, drifting home again. Night driver, drifting home again. Home again. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Judge Timbers on the, Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Sometimes I get confused, folks. I'm getting old. This is a great song, Night Driver by Tom Petty, of course, off his solo album, Highway Companion. I've mentioned it before, but Highway Companion is such a hidden gem. If you love Tom Petty and you've never given it a shot, so many great tracks, a lot of great acoustic songs like this one, but definitely give it a shot. You're going to like it. So here's Night Driver. Very simple song to play. It's going to be a very quick lesson. Guitars in standard tuning. There's no capo. We're going to start with that nice, what I call an A7 sus4, an A7 suspended fourth chord. So just an A7, the two-finger A7, which you're going to play in a minute, and just add the B string at the third fret. So there's the A7 sus4, and then you just go back to an A7th. Very much like The Who. So that's a big part of the song. So I think the strum is kind of like this. Just kind of keep doing that intro, verses, outro, everything. Again, Tom Petty. Yeah, I love this song, and that's all he's doing basically. And then when we go to the Night Driver, very simple: G to a D to an A. I just open it up, A sus2, I guess. So a G to a D, back to the A, and then you go right into the A7 sus4, you know. You offered up no history when you blew into town. You remain a mystery, no information found. Just goes on, then the G. Night Driver D, drifting home A. Again, G. Night Driver D, drifting again. And then it goes, home again, to a D at the end. And then you just go back into the outro as the intro, the A7 sus4. That's going to be it tonight. I can't speak tonight. That's a short one, but Night Driver, a great song, again, off Highway Companion. Thank you, folks, for sticking with the Judge Timbers channel. I will be posting another Tom Petty song next Saturday night. Hopefully you'll join me. I'll see you real soon. Take care.